Hey girlfriend, stop what you're doing. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Turn on those notifications. You don't want to miss any of my hair tutorials. I got some really good ones coming your way. Today, I want to show you how I achieve, y'all, this super cute flat twist. It looks great. It feels great. It has definition. Look how it just looks so defined, like volume, growth, and I haven't even went anywhere yet. Like, I can't wait to show you guys how you can achieve this super cute look. Keep watching. I am gonna start my hair out on 3 sections. I got a bottom section, I got a middle section, and I got a top section. I've already co-washed, deep conditioned, as well as put leave-in conditioner and conditioner in my hair, and I've even detangled, and here we are. Let's begin. I'm gonna part with my finger. All right, so this is about the section that I'm gonna do my flat twist on. Twist everything goes up. Twist it up, twist it up. So I'm gonna start off with some black castor oil. I love it so much. It's like my fave. It just keeps my hair because it is so thick, super moisturized, and it keeps the style, it just makes my style last super long. So let's see what we're working with. I like to use the AsIam curling jelly. All right, so I'm gonna put a generous amount of this on this section, simply because I want it to hold and last. And it's nice and moisturized. All right, so I'm gonna come back in after this, guys, with some black castor oil. The gel, I'm gonna put a little bit at, because I don't like a lot of gel. I don't use a lot of gel on my hair because I feel like it definitely makes it all crunchy. But I'm gonna try it today, and we're gonna see how it's gonna work, okay? So I got the gel on there, still another product. All right, let's use my Denim Brush. I already kind of see how it's starting to curl. Yo, that is so popping. Come on, definition. Yes. Okay, see, and I think that's because of the gel. Like, the gel might have enhanced that. I'm gonna twist and pick up as I go. So rude, like, so rude. All right, guys, so this is the final results of my flat twist. And again, I use my finger. It's not perfect, but I'm going to let it dry, and then in the morning I will take it down and let you see what it looks like the next morning. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to take down my flat twists. They are completely dry. I'm going to start off with some jojoba oil. I love jojoba, avocado, grapeseed, a light oil. And I'm going to put it on my hands, and then I'm just going to move it through my hair. All right, and then I'm gonna bobby pin. All right, so I'm gonna put up the middle and take down the back, applying that oil and making sure it's all up in my hands. I'm gonna gently take down my twist out and separate really gently. This is the part where I like to naturally separate my hair with the flow of the twist out, meaning like if it naturally separates right there, separate it. Don't do too much. I don't want it to be too fuzzy. All right, so we have it down. And now I'm going to naturally separate. Looks good. So I'm gonna add some volume and I'm gonna add some length, and I'm going to use my pick. It's my favorite thing to use, so let's fluff it out. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please make sure that you like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. See you next time.